All right, folks, my name is Nestor, and I'm here very excited with our Chiavari steel skeleton bar stools. Strength and stability. One, it's an incredibly strong bar stool. This is capable of taking over 4,000 pounds of downward force. I mean, folks, that's your entire offensive line can sit on this, and this chair is not going to break. Especially when your guests are inebriated, you want something that's stable. You don't want something that's wiggling and shaking. This is incredibly stable. As you can see, this is an example of a similar steel skeleton bar stool. It's an entire steel skeleton frame throughout this entire chair inside. And that steel skeleton is hermetically sealed in the resin, which, by the way, makes it waterproof. That way you're not worried about rot. If you had a wood bar stool and you leave it outside, of course, the rain's gonna get to it. Eventually the moisture impacts that bar stool. You're not gonna have to worry about that with our resin steel skeleton Chiavari bar stool. So this gives you that beautiful Chiavari classy look that you're looking for. It gives you the strength of steel and a beautiful resin finish that's gonna last. Now, all our steel skeleton chairs and bar stools are back with a 10-year warranty. It's a 5-year warranty plus a free 5-year extended warranty, so you get 10 years of total coverage when you purchase a steel skeleton chair or bar stool. If you notice, we have a wood grain finish here, our standard paint finish, our chestnut, fruit wood, our gold are beautiful. This is incredible finish. This is a metallic silver onyx finish. Incredible color. You're gonna love that one. And next to that is an example of a steel skeleton bar stool frame. So, folks, get yours today at chivari.com.